Hi guys, today we will talk about how to export customer on your Shopify store. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open your browser and sign in your account on which you want to export your customer. Once you do, you will see the same interface like me. And from here, take a look on the left side. You will see multiple options from these. You have to select Option Customers. Once you will click on the Option Customer in this pop-up, you will see the option of Import, Export, and Add Customer on the right top. But if you did not see it, then you don't have any customer on your Shopify store. When you see this kind of thing, then you have to import your customer, or you have to add that manually by clicking on the option customer. Or if you have a list, then you have to click on option import, and you have to import a CSV file from your computer. Then your customer list will be shown like this one. Now, in order to export, here you can see the option of export. Just click on it. Here you can see the option of current page or all other customer. If I select the option current, then only this page will be selected. But if I select all customer, then as much as I have pages, each page will be exported. So I will let it be as it is. And this one is a format plain CSV for Excel spreadsheets. I will let it be on Excel. The last thing is I need to click on option export customer. Now they will send an email on my this account by which I create my Shopify, and then I will open my email. And I can see the list of my exported customer, and that's it.